Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to make an emergency LED lamp that is needed in a workshop or room. Well, the parts we need, their names will be displayed for you. No need to explain much. I solder the red wire to the positive base and the black wire to the negative base, or GND, and connect and solder the other side of the wire to the socket and varnish the sockets. This heatsink is for this LED. And now let's go for the test. Thank you for watching the video so far. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you give me energy by doing this and introduce me to your friends. Bye until another video.